Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. Righty-o, I have been having some real fun today with bubble wrap again. I did foil dips last week and now I'm on the bubble wrap. So don't ever throw any bubble wrap away. Make sure that you're using the bubbles up, because it gives a kind of a textured effect in the finished product. So don't throw away any bubble wrap, keep it. Now I'm really stuck on these colours today. When I seen the colour of my fabric conditioner bottle, I thought, oh my goodness, those colours are just beautiful. I could add butterfly, I could add balloon kisses, which I've done a few here, and it's got those colours in it, but now I'm actually adding pink to the purple and berry delicious. So that was an inspiration today, along with my lovely gecko that's these similar colours with the gold feet. So he's beautiful. And I've got this 10 by 10 inch canvas, little gallery wrapped chunky little nugget, chunky little block of a canvas. So I'm going to use that. Hopefully it turns out wonderfully. So when it's all dry with resin coat on, these colours should absolutely pop your socks. I've used some masking tape to stick down my bubble wrap, so when I pull the whole canvas off it, it doesn't pull the... That's my gecko. He kind of looks like this, but not that colour. But I can't see him now looking up on the wall, so he's hidden behind probably one of my paintings hanging up. But yes, I've just had his touch of approval, so all good. So I've prepared the back of my canvas too with the masking tape to keep my bottom clean, and these are giant push pins which will really help me when I'm lifting it off this bubble wrap. So all the materials you would want to use are down in the description box underneath this video, and also links to all the products, and links to the beginners playlist if you are a beginner. Right-e-o. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to coat this little nugget of a canvas. I'm actually going to coat it in black just to give it a base coat. I could have done it in purple, but I'm doing it in black because I want my sides to stay black. And this coat, the canvas will just actually chew it up, or it'll all absorb into the canvas, so it'll give it a good base for what I'm about to do. Okay, move that out the way. Now to just put my minimalistic colours, because they're just those gold and purple and pink is all I'm doing today. So I'll layer. This is my berry delicious, so I make this up out of the deepest red you have, and deepest red, phthalo blue, and a blob of black if you want it to go real dark. So, and it does pay to actually keep your paints thicker, I find. That was a little bit thin. I should make up my next lot thicker. This is a 50% gold, 50% silver that I make up to, and it's called my champagne gold. So I'm doing chevrons, as you see. I just find that they come out really nice. Just, you can wiggle it or chevron it. It's really up to you. Rightio, which colour should we go here? I'll add the purple now. This is a real just purple. Haven't added anything to this one. And just my pouring medium. Doesn't matter if I don't get the whole canvas in fact, I think I'm going to have a go after this at just kind of doing a flower shape in my on my bubble wrap and seeing how that turns out dipped. Rightio. It's because you've got a bit of paint on the base, you know, if this doesn't all hit the bottom of the canvas, you've already got paint on your canvas. This is called Dusty Pink. So any pink and purple lovers are going to really love this, and especially with that gold in there, it's going to hopefully make it look a little bit classy. So that one was thick enough. Rightio, now it's just the straight gold. Just made the gold up with my pouring medium, so as you can see it's a lot more yellow than the champagne one I've made, so this is a lot more yellowy gold. Okay, I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to put any more on there. I was going to add white, but I'm not. So we'll get my little chunk of a canvas. I can already see it's not going to be in all of the area of the canvas, but that's okay because you can have negative space. Radio, let's drop this in. Keep wiping my fingers because I'm going to get all the black all over everywhere, but it's okay if I've got this taped, I guess. I do want to gift this canvas. Got my brother and his wife coming up next week, and I want it to dry and give it a coat, and they can take it home for one of my nieces that live down in Sydney. Okay, right. So just push it firmly with your little fingers. If when you bring it up, you find that there's some paint not missing, then as you've seen me do before, you just dip a balloon in it and balloon kiss it and fill in any spots that are missing any paint. Oh, I hope these colours are nice. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to, I suppose I can just, it's gonna work. Oh, no way. I was hoping there'd be a bit more gold in there. That is beautiful. But I would like a bit more gold. So, what I can do, it is beautiful, is put some blobs of gold. I just wanted more gold on this one. Just let me see if it works first. Hey, that would be a good, so just with the small balloon, I'm going to press to do the balloon kiss. A little bit more gold then added to it. That's cute. Cutie patootie. Just a few little balloon kisses. I believe we'll add like the butterfly effect to it. And if when it's dry I want to embellish it with gold, then I can always go over with a gold acrylic pen and highlight some gold bits. But that is you beaut, super duper. I could dip another canvas, I guess, in what's underneath there, but for today I think that's pretty beautiful. What do you guys think? Like I said, I'm just hoping that it dries beautifully on a coat of resin with some dragonfly glaze sparkle. Might bring it up even better. So it was a quick little video for you to see. I might come down and show you the close-ups. It's gorgeous. I think it's gonna be far better when it dries. I know I've got a bit of reflection coming back at the camera because I've got all the lights on in here. But I think those colours are going to dry beautifully, and I know who I'm gifting it to will absolutely love it. So, but I hope you have a go. It's so rewarding, so much fun, because look, I've been going crazy today. I've got that big one. That's beautiful. plus I put a little like MDF placemat in the leftovers, and then I've done a butterfly for another niece down in Sydney, and I think I'm going to resin all of these. So these dips really do come out beautiful. They are very easy. Yes, I'm a lazy artist, easy way, but they're very gorgeous. So there you go. What do you think? All right, my lovelies, please take care. Until tomorrow, bye for now.